Let's be honest, visualization agencies face a huge hurdle: reliably delivering Unreal Engine projects to clients. How often does delivery become the bottleneck? The stunning quality you create in Unreal Engine, lost in translation. Clients can't appreciate your work when they can't even view it properly on their devices. But what if there was a solution, a way to deliver your Unreal Engine projects reliably to any client on any device? Introducing our workshop, Reliable 3D Delivery, Real-Time Design and Streaming Solutions for Visualization Agencies. We'll show you how to take control of your delivery workflow.
Seriously, this kind of back and forth used to eat up days. Now, seconds. And on May 29th, we're going to show you exactly how we flip that.
Real-time streaming, efficient rendering, I'll cover core integration, and client-facing parameter setup.
This workshop is designed for visualization agencies. If you're tired of delivery headaches, this is for you.
May 29th, $10 to solve your delivery problems? Priceless. But spots are limited, so act fast. Stop struggling with unreliable delivery. Hit that link, sign up, and let's build a more reliable workflow together.